forest wrapped in silver glow lived a teddy bear named Tug, you know. Soft and cuddly, brown and round, with happy eyes that looked around. One night the moon smiled extra wide and whispered secrets none could hide. A sparkly Tug pulled out his paw. Come dream with us, it's time to go. Tug followed the tug of twinkling light through misty paths and starry night. First came Monkey Nico, full of cheer, swinging branches, a dentures here. Banana flips and silly hops, let's race the wind and never stop. They giggled loud and tumbled fast until a rainbow flash went hops. Polly Parrot swooped from high above, feathers shining with rainbow love. Words and songs and colors bright, I'll fly with you into the night. Together now the three friends flew over treetops kissed with dew. Then Bella Butterfly appeared, wings like jewels so crystal clear. I flutter soft, I dance on air, come see the wonders everywhere. She led them through a flower sea where petals sang in harmony. Next a tiny mew so sweet and small, Kitty Kitten joined them all. Paws like clouds, eyes big and bright, I'll purr and play till morning light. They chased the fireflies in a ring, made wishes on each glowing thing. Then roar, a shadow tall and strong, toward a tiger came along. Stripes of gold and eyes of flame, but gentle heart he knew their name. I guard the path, I keep you safe, let's find more magic in this place. Last came Bruno Bear, so grand, with honey paws and gentle stand. Hugs for all and stories sweet, Big Bear love makes life complete. Now 7 friends, a magical crew, Teddy, Tug, and Monkey too. Parrot, Polly, Butterfly, Belle, Kitten soft, and Tiger swell. Big Bruno Bear, they all held tight, a rope of stars that glowed so bright. They tugged together, pulled with might, through candy clouds and rainbow light. They slid on moonbeams smooth and long, sang silly songs the whole night long. They tickled sleeping giants' toes, woke flowers up in rows and rows. They painted skies with color streaks and danced inside their wildest dreams. A lonely storm cloud cried up high, I'm gray and sad, I don't know why. The friends all tugged with love so true and turned the rain to glitter dew. Sparkles fell like sugar snow, the cloud laughed loud, its sadness go. It joined the dance, became a friend, and promised rainbows without end. When dawn peaked gold across the sky, the friends knew it was time to say goodbye. But Tug smiled soft and held them near. We'll meet again right here, my dears, in every hug, in every dream, in laughter shine and starlight gleam. The Tug will call when hearts believe, and magic friends will never leave. So close your eyes when night is deep, feel the Tug, it's yours to keep.